Where are you going?
I am going to Filipino store, then I'm going to Addie's to have a swimming party.
Aww.
Then I'll swim with Daddy or Mommy.
Happy 4th!
Happy 4th of July, by the
4th of
way.
July!
And when I'm done swimming, I'll change clothes and I'm bringing some of my dolls so they can just watch.
Oh, okay.
And my chin's long.
Happy 4th!
Cheeks are long.
You're funny.
My cheeks are long.
Oh, no, don't do that, chick. Init-init pa yung barbecue mga inday. Hindi na kayo dito. Hindi pa pinalabas din yung ano. Kasi wala pa namang bisita. Tapos medyo early pa. Yeah, look at that. Mainit pa yung barbecue. Happy 4th! Dito kami kina Christine. Oh, that's good. You wanna eat something? No? Happy 4th! No, naman diri ako ila Christine. Christine at ano diri.
They really have to eat crow on how long it took you
Mag-video ko. Dito sa may ano sudan, lamig kay day, barbecue. Sudan sa Christine. Tapos kani manok. Ang mga part niya, madam. And they're eating here. Video ko, day.
Tapos yung Wednesday, meron kami multi-class.
Ay! Na. Tapos yung isang side.
Hindi nila ayaw, nilagay ko lang.
Baon ko eh. Wala ko na daw pa. Happy 4th, Chad! Teddy! The video! Ganda! Ganda ng panahon! Wait! Don't jump together! Today is July 4th, 2020th. Maybe you go there, Maria. So you don't need... No more sun! Yay! Maligo kayo? Yeah, maligo tayo. Are you ready to swim? Not yet. Gabiin na.
Kasi nung kami, nag-drive tayo, tinanong tayo sa border, no? Are you all citizen?
Are you all citizen? Yes! Ay, hindi pala.
Kami tinignan lang sa sasakyan.
Hindi kasi walang lalaki, no? Tapos wala kaming lalaki na driver.
Okay lang, kung wala ka talagang papel, kakabahan ka talaga. Ma-o-visa ka talaga.
Tapos nung pauwi, may sumusunod sa amin.
Ano?
Ayan naman.
Unahan na fireworks! Ay, saan eh? Casagrande! Asa fireworks ano? Fireworks na.
Puti man ako nakita. Asahan.
Hala! Dalugdog mo siguro to. Giskam ni ate!
Alam mo, masarap pala dito sa labas. Mas maano.
Yeah, kasi doon malimuot. Kasi nakaka-cover na kasi. Asa naman ang...
Where is the thunder? Where is the thunder?
Hindi, where's the jet? Where's the airplane? Anong tawag ano? Butanin nila eh. Wala! It's too early for the fireworks. There's a fireworks at Pinal later at 9 o'clock. Scam. I think then we have to open this one thing. We're gonna open, can you open this one para may hangin? Parang ano kasi sa...
Tinanong ko kasi kanina kasi may sun.
Ah, ang ganda pala nito. Oh, kasi zipper siya.
Oo, meron pa siyang pang-mosquito.
Yeah, it's so nice. Oh, pang mosquito? Mm. Wow. Yan, open the tindahan. Open the tindahan.
Huwag ka ng sari-sari store.
Yan. There's some fireworks, Chris. Swimming taday.
Dili ko dahil.
Ano man day?
Video to, video. Hi! Hi, ate! Oh, hi! Say hi! Hi! Say hi to my vlog! My vlog! Say hi!
Bye. Hit me high five on my
Say hi!
Who wants Maria? Me, I want. Let me in the water. Maria. I can stand up now.